AI filmmaking is insanely mind-blowing right now. Everything you're seeing on screen is completely made by AI. The visuals, camera movements, VFX, sound design.
Higgs, drop it!
Literally everything. It feels like having a real-life superpower. Whatever your brain can imagine, you can turn it into a visual. Until recently, turning imagination into film meant expensive tools and complex workflows. But AI is changing that. You don't need a studio or a massive budget. You just need a clean prompt and the right tool. And that's the real challenge, right? Well, not anymore, because I found one of the latest and most powerful AI filmmaking platform out there, Higgsfield AI. It's powered by the latest Kling 3.0 upgraded model, a next-level AI video generation system. And the most impressive part? Better camera movement, real-world physics, human-like emotions. You can turn your text, images, ideas, and references into fully directed cinematic scenes. Kling 3.0 and Higgsfield AI make it unbelievably powerful. So today, I'm going to create a short AI film based on a random 3 a.m. idea that popped into my head using Higgsfield AI. Let's see what happens. Now to get started, head to the Higgsfield AI website or click the link in the description. This is the interface. You can see all the AI generation tools and the latest models right here. Since we're creating a film, go to the video section. Here, you'll see all the available AI video models. Select the new Kling 3.0 model. Inside, you have 3 main ways to generate your video: text to video, image to video, and reference to video. Text to video is simple. You describe your idea purely with text. Who's in the scene, where it takes place, what's happening, the camera movement, the emotion. The more clearly you explain it, the better the visual result will be. But if you want more control, image to video is even better. This gives you stronger composition and detail right from the start. If you don't already have images, you can generate your beginning and ending frames inside Higgsfield's image generation section. When you use image to video, the composition, lighting, and shadows are already locked in. You mainly focus on camera movement and emotion through your prompt. That's why it feels easier and more cinematic. And the crazy part is Kling 3.0 understands prompts incredibly well. You don't need pages of complicated paragraphs. Even simple, clear instructions produce insane results. The visuals already look professional. But here's where Kling 3.0 really starts crushing other tools. Reference to video. This lets you upload a reference image like a specific face or object and lock in character identity. No weird morphing or distortion. Your character stays consistent across shots. That's huge for storytelling, especially for character-based films. And it doesn't stop there. There's native audio integration.
Higgs, drop it! Drop it now!
Yes, sir.
That means you can create dialogue scenes with realistic lip sync, even with multiple characters. It's actual storytelling. Now here comes the most mind-blowing part: multi-shot generation. This is where AI video starts challenging traditional filmmaking. The model understands how to cut between shots and continue camera movements naturally without breaking the scene. It feels like AI is editing the video for you. You can create a 15-second sequence with multiple cuts, smooth transitions, consistent lighting, matching motion. It's like building a $1,000 movie scene in seconds. Instead of writing one massive prompt, you break your scene into smaller cinematic cuts. You define each shot, set the resolution, click generate, and the model handles the continuity. Honestly, this is the most impressive feature: the camera movements, the VFX, the sound design. It doesn't feel like a typical AI tool. It feels like the future of filmmaking. And now, this is the part I've been waiting for. I'm going to create a short AI film using everything we just talked about. If you follow these steps, you can create your own too. First, I wrote down my story idea that I mentioned earlier. Make sure you write your story like a script, separating each scene clearly, not like a novel. Think in shots. Then I brought that script into ChatGPT and asked for detailed cinematic image prompts for each scene. I even asked for 3 different angles per shot to make it feel more realistic and dynamic. Using Higgsfield AI's image generator, I created the base images for each scene. I uploaded my reference character and the AI transformed it into a cinematic version while keeping identity consistent. The character reference feature is insanely good. I repeated this process for every scene until all my images were ready. Once the images were done, the real work began. I separated which scenes needed multi-shot sequences, which needed long dramatic shots, and which needed quick retention-style cuts. Then I used ChatGPT again to generate multiple camera movement prompts for each section. After that, I went into Kling 3.0, uploaded my first image, and added multiple shots. For this one, I wanted 5 angles, so I added 5 shots, each around 3 seconds. If you want longer shots, you simply reduce the number of cuts. Then I placed each camera prompt into its corresponding shot. Selected the Kling 3.0 model, set the resolution, and hit generate. I repeated this process for every scene. Some were short and simple, some were long and emotional. Others included dynamic multi-angle movements. When all the clips were done, I imported everything into CapCut and stitched them together. And the crazy part? I barely had to touch sound design. The built-in audio was already impressive. And that's how it works. Using Higgsfield and Kling AI, you can create AI product ads, brand films, AI influencers, cinematic shorts, whatever your imagination can think of, all inside one unified multimodal system. Possibilities are endless here. If you want to try it, the official link is in the description. Through that link, you can unlock Kling 3.0 unlimited plans with up to 70% off right now. Go check it out and experiment for yourself. And now, enjoy the movie.